Hey guys, welcome back to another motivational clean with me. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Cece and today's video is all about cleaning motivation. In today's video, we are going to deep clean my entire house, so I hope you're ready for today's motivation. Be sure to stick around until the end of this video because I'll be sharing a delicious recipe with you that we are having for dinner tonight. So grab your cleaning supplies, pick a space in your home, and let's clean together. You can put this video on your TV, your tablet, or your phone and clean along with me. I'm starting off here in the master bedroom by making up the bed and straighten up the space. Next, I'll wipe down the nightstand before vacuuming the floor. I always look at it this way. A clean, fresh bedroom always makes such a difference. Now that the bedroom is all done, we are moving over into the kitchen. First thing first, I'm putting everything away to declutter the space. Then I'll wipe down the countertop and load up the dishwasher.
you tell your friends about? I'm the crazy ex-girl you pretend you don't know, 'cause you know I could ruin your life. Rumor has it you have someone new. She'll regret you like a bad tattoo, 'cause you'll never change, you'll always stay the same. Go on and tell all your friends all about me. I don't give a nothing sticks to me, baby. Yes, hon, I'm Teflon, I don't give an F, so go ahead and tell them I'm a little bit too much for ya. Maybe you're not man enough, 'cause I speak my mind, yeah, I spit it out. I don't care about if you think that I'm a little bit too much for ya. Maybe you're not man enough, 'cause I speak my mind, yeah, I spit it out. I don't care about if you think that I'm a little bit too much. I'm not gonna play cool when you take me for a damn fool. I'm just so sick of it, can't believe that I've been with someone like you. Don't forget I know your secrets too. In a minute I can spill the truth, 'cause you'll never change, you'll always stay the same. Go on and tell all your friends all about me. I don't give a nothing sticks to me, baby. Yes, hon, I'm Teflon, I don't give an F, so go ahead and tell them I'm a little bit too much for ya. Maybe you're not man enough, 'cause I speak my mind, yeah, I spit it out. I don't care about if you think that I'm a little bit too much for ya. Maybe you're not man enough, 'cause I speak my mind, yeah, I spit it out. I don't care about if you think that I'm a little bit too much. Little bit too much. A little bit too much. A little bit too much. I'm a little bit too much for you. Maybe you're not man enough, 'cause I speak my mind, yeah, I spit it out. I don't care about if you think that I'm a little bit too much for you. Maybe you're not man enough, 'cause I speak my mind, yeah, I spit it out. I don't care about.
Since my kitchen cabinets are white, I always try to clean up any stains as soon as they happen. Today I noticed few spots here, so I'm just wiping them down to keep everything looking fresh and bright. Now that the kitchen is clean, we're heading over into the living room area. Here, I'm just wiping down any surfaces with stains or dust, including the fireplace and the 2 nightlight candles here. I'll also vacuum the floors and make sure to get in between the couches to clean up any crumbs. So now that the living room is clean, it's time to tackle the bathroom. I'm starting by decluttering the countertops since today is a deep cleaning day for this bathroom. Here in this bathroom, we are going to be scrubbing everything from the top to the bottom, including the shower tubs, toilets, mirrors, and the cabinets. A deep clean bathroom just feels so refreshing. And remember, you don't always have to deep clean your bathroom. I know cleaning a bathroom can be overwhelming, so just a little bit of decluttering here and there, wiping down the countertops, scrubbing the toilets, wiping down the mirrors is more than enough to do for one day. The next day, you can focus on a deeper cleaning. I personally think breaking your cleaning into smaller tasks is so much better because you're able to get so much done without feeling overwhelmed. Now that the house is clean, everything feels so fresh and cozy, it's time to cook some dinner. For tonight's dinner, I'm making potato green. First thing first, I'm putting frozen potato greens into a pot and I'm going to let that thaw out. If you prefer, you can use fresh greens, but I decided to go with frozen ones today. While that's thawing out, I'll chop up some onions and green pepper. To save some time, I'm using pre-chopped bell peppers from Walmart. I'll blend these and set them aside to add on to our soup later on. Now that the greens have been thawed out, I'm adding baking soda, Sazon, chicken bouillon, tomato paste, and blended bell pepper from earlier. Then I'll also add some garlic and I'll give everything a good mix. Let that cook for about 30 to 45 minutes. I'll add on some shrimp and let that cook for a few more minutes before adding some chopped onions. Next, I'll mix everything well and add on a choice of my favorite oil here. I'm using avocado oil. You can add any oil of your choice. After that, I'm adding a pre-cooked meat that I had prepared earlier in a pressure cooker, along with Maggi cubes for seasoning. I'll mix it well and let it cook for another 25 minutes. And make sure to keep checking and stirring occasionally just to prevent it from burning. And here's the finished meal. It looks so good, smells so delicious, and you can serve this with rice or whatever you prefer. But I personally think it tastes so good with just white rice or brown rice. And that is it for today's Clean With Me, Cook With Me video. I hope this video gave you some motivation to tackle your cleaning and has inspired you to try this new recipe. Thank you so much for being here today. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe for more videos. Until next time, as always, stay motivated and stay blessed, you guys. I will see you in my next video. Bye!